Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Learn how to make delicious restaurant style kadhai paneer at home with this easy recipe. If you loved the rich and spicy flavor of Indian cuisine, and this is perfect for you. Kadhai paneer is a popular vegetarian dish, guys, and let's get started. And to start, finally chop the 2 tomatoes and set them aside. Next, heat tablespoon of oil in a pan over medium heat. So once the oil is hot, add a tablespoon cumin seeds and let them splutter. Add one finely chopped onion to the pan and saute until golden brown. And now add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. It's optional, and cook for a minute until the raw smell disappears. And time to add those diced tomatoes and we prepared earlier and cook until then turn mushy. Sprinkle a tablespoon of coriander powder, a tablespoon of cumin powder, a tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili mix, and half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Mix well. Now lower the heat and let the spice cook for a couple of minutes, allowing all the flavors to blend together. Time to add a star of our dish, paneer. Gently mix it with the masala and cooked for 3 to 4 minutes. Add sliced bell peppers for that extra crunch and flavor. Stir everything together for a spice kick. Add one green chili lightwise and cook for a minute. And last but not least, garnish with refreshed chopped coriander leaves for that vibrant touch of green. Our restaurant style kadhai paneer is ready to be served. Served it hot and with naan and rice. Hope you guys this video helpful for you, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes, guys. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.